What's up everyone, Jimmy here from the Decal paper expert SUNNYSCOPA. Today I would like to show you how to make a jelly phone case using film-free decal paper type A and Topcoat W1. For those of you who are not familiar with the jelly phone case, it's that incredibly slimy, squishy phone case that looks like jelly. What we want to show you is the contrast between using and not using the Topcoat W1, our latest product. So let's get started. First, edit the image for the phone case. Print with a laserjet printer. Just make sure that in this case an inkjet printer will not work. You also want to make sure that you print as a mirror image. Load the paper into a manual feed tray. Also, the media paper type should be thick paper or laser paper. Cut out the image. Place the cutout image in a bowl of water for 30 seconds and take out. The film will separate from the background. Before using glue W1, give it a good shake and then use a brush to apply where the image will be traced. Mount the image face down on the surface. Scrape out moisture and air bubbles with a squeegee. First, heat curing. Bake in a preheated oven for 10 minutes to let the ink transfer. Remove the final film. Remove the final film once the substrate is cool to touch. Second, heat curing. Bake in a preheated oven at 100 degrees for 10 to 20 minutes. To prevent the plastic from deforming in heat, bake at low temperature. Complete. You have just made a phone case with a film-free decal paper. Part B. Coating. Transfer small portion of Topcoat W1 into a small container. Apply the sealant gently with a right-sized flat brush. Spread out the glue evenly on glasses and plastics to avoid formation of lumps. You will find that you can apply more evenly with time. Repeat the process until the surface has an even layer of the coat. The results can vary depending on your techniques. For first timers, we recommend reading the manual and do a trial first. If you want a thicker layer, dry thoroughly before applying. Dry under the sun for 30 to 60 minutes. Avoid direct sunlight until it has completely dried. Bake in a preheated oven at 100 degrees for 30 minutes. To prevent the plastic from deforming in heat, bake at low temperature. Finished. Rinse the brush with water immediately after use. Durability comparison. We will now compare durability of two phone cases, one without any coating and the other with coating. Scratch gently with fingernails. For demonstration purpose, I'll scratch these decals. First, we will scratch hard with a coin. Then we scratch more gently. As you can see, although the coat is not permanent, it can definitely strengthen and seal the image. I hope this video helps and I will see you next time. Thank you.